Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Oded Netzer. I'm the Vice Dean for Research here at Columbia Business School. This event is actually part of the Columbia AI Summit. Some of you may have attended several of the sessions happening around the university. The whole goal of the AI Summit is to celebrate the research that is being done here at Columbia Business School around AI. I don't think there is actually a topic that cuts through every single school, every single discipline, as much as AI. If you think about the university, anywhere, of course, engineering and the developments of AI, but AI applications in medicine, AI applications in journalism, in architecture, in nursing, every school you would go to, and of course, AI in business, which is what we are here to talk about. And really the poster child for what we often talk about, interdisciplinary research that cuts across disciplines. Again, couldn't think about a topic that is more interdisciplinary than AI. In fact, again, you go to any talk these days and no one can help themselves but talking about AI. If you do word bingo, for words like AI, ChatGPT, you'll win in any single event. And this would not be different. In fact, this event would focus on AI, so even much more than that. The presence of AI as part of it being interdisciplinary is definitely true within the business school. So within our own business school, AI cut pretty much through everything that we do here. And specifically around research, if you think about development of AI, if you think about AI in areas like marketing, finance, operations, and inventory, the future of work with AI, these are all areas that are very much top of mind for our faculty as they do research, and very much top of mind for our teaching as we teach MBAs around entering into this world and leading this world of AI, both the opportunities as well as the challenges and ethical issues that come with it, and how do we deal with these type of issues. But the topic of today really will be around the research in AI. And it's the topic of, by the way, of the entire AI Summit across the university, but here specifically in the business school, we have really top research, cutting edge research being done in the area of AI, anywhere from researchers who are building AI models, think about models for recommendations, right, of products or ranking of advertising and so on that is AI generated, to applications of AI, whether it's applications of AI in areas, again, like finance or marketing or operations. And that's very much is reflected by the panel that we have here, by the way, Columbia Business School and across the Columbia campus. So we have 4 speakers with us today. All of them are truly world-renowned expert in the area of AI, each one in their own areas. And again, very much reflecting the interdisciplinary, both within the business school as well as across campus. First speaker will be Tiani Peng. Tiani Peng is from our Decision Risk and Operation group, followed by Olivier Tubia from the marketing group. And both Tiani and Olivier are going to talk about in the area of digital twins, using AI to mimic human behavior. And what can we do once we are able to generate these twins, if you will, digital twins of humans? What can they be used for and what maybe they cannot be used for? Lydia Chilton, coming from the engineering school, that I like to say that she's adopted by the business school since she does a lot of research that is very much business related. We'll be talking about AI agents and human interactions with AI agents and how do we interact with humans around this topic. And last but not least will be Stefan Meyer. Stefan Meyer is from coming from our management group, and we'll be talking about a topic that he actually wrote a book about the future of work and how the future of work would look like in an AI world. So without further ado, I do want to leave the stage for the speakers, because that's what we are here to hear about their research. We'll do about 15 minutes per talk with a couple of questions after each talk, but we will leave at the end good 15 minutes for more of a panel discussion, for questions about the talks or anything else you want to talk about the topic of AI in business. So without further ado, Tiani.